Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about the Great Wall of China. Number 1. The Great Wall of China is located in China. Number 2. It is the longest structure humans have ever built. Number 3. It is an ancient wall. Number 4. Its construction lasted over 2300 years. Number 5. It is in the list of the 7 wonders of the world. Number 6. The total length of the wall is 21,196 kilometers. Number 7. The Great Wall is built with different types of materials. Number 8. The wall was built to protect territories. Number 9. The wall was built by Chinese prisoners. Number 10. Many lives were lost in the process of construction. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.